Hello friends, today we'll make a fish bowl. This is a fun activity for birthday parties. It is very easy to make, but the problem was that all the supplies needed for this were difficult to find. So I had to do a lot of research to find these items. That's why I'm making this video so that it becomes easy for you guys to make it. Here, very few supplies are needed. One first thing is the fish. This fish is really beautiful, looks very good in water. You can find it on Amazon. I'll provide the link for this in the description. We are using some rocks. We are using 3 types of rocks. I got this rock. This is more realistic kind of rock. I got this from Michael's, and these pebbles I got from Dollar Tree, and these gravel I got it from Amazon. I will provide the link for you in the bottom description. And these are the plants we used. These plants I got it again from Amazon. I'll provide the link for you guys. These are Aquarium plants, and another item that we'll need is the bowl. Again, this bowl I got from Amazon. So let's start making this aquarium. So we'll first take the bowl and try to put these plants inside. These plants come with a stand kind of thing. You can use this, or you can just take the twig out and that is the first thing we put it in. We put this first because then we will put some gravel on it and make it stand. And the second thing I'm putting is the colorful gravel. I'll try to keep this plant make it stand as much as possible. Otherwise also it looks beautiful. I'll put a green one. It comes in many different colors. And the second thing is we'll put some rocks in there, and some pebbles, and the next thing we will do is put some water in it. This is regular tap water, nothing fancy. And the final item is the fish. These fishes are so beautiful. Kids just love them. This even moves. Its tail moves. And I think 2 fishes are enough for this size bowl. You can put more water if you want. And this is a very fun activity. Kids like to do it. And if the kids are bigger and you feel that this activity is going too fast, one idea you can do is hide the supplies that you need and have them search for these items as a scavenger hunt, so it becomes much more fun for them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.